Anybody else see an opportunity where someone else sees a threat? I've been blessed to be able to pick a niche where I help entrepreneurs and the executives who are usually their company's top salespeople get out of the trap of being so good at what they do.
My name's Klyn, and I founded Leadership Sales Training.
How many of you guys have been doing the same sales scripts and general cadence for maybe 10, 15 years? Curiosity is the #1 emotion to lead with in sales and selling today. How many of you guys are trying to be successful so you can help make an impact for your team, the people you work with, your families, and your community? Dang right. Because I have a goal, and that goal is to get money in your pocket in 21 days or less. Not using theory or things I made up. I've seen a bajillion different trainers in my life, and a lot of them are more entertainers than they are educators. My goal is to just simply give you what works.
I've helped companies grow from 10 to 76 million in revenue. I've helped other companies come back from the brink of bankruptcy, and I've helped non-traditional entrepreneurial firms increase their closing percentages by 275%.
What is it about these people who are at their crucible moment and they take that crucible and then they make something of themselves?
There is a way to turn every setback into a comeback.
I once heard that a shooting star is bad to wish on because we're actually wishing on something that's already dead. That dead star carries in it all sorts of things that's just waiting for the right environment to culminate a new life.
Where in your life have you lost control right now? Because it's affecting your happiness and it's affecting your family. Take a step in the direction for where you want to be. It changes everything.
In life, we don't get what we deserve, do we? But we do get what we can negotiate. There was a holistic healthcare company. We increased closing percentages by 275%. All a sales playbook is it says, hey, here's how you start a conversation with a stranger. Here's how you ask them questions. And then the system is built for the executives in the room who just need a freaking break. You can chill.